This is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and it's early in the morning. I have this awesome product that I have to show you. So without further ado, let me get going on this. Okay, this is the product here. What's really nice about this is that you can set the PSI that you need on the device. And I find that, and then it shuts off automatically. I find that really cool, so you're not wondering, is there enough pressure in the tire? I wonder. This will do that. And it's so cool. It also has an LED light on it if you're in the nighttime. But here we go. We're gonna plug it in. We're gonna put it on the valve. All right. So there's a LED switch here for the light, power on and off, and then you could set the PSI here. So right now it says 36 PSI for the target. If you look carefully, there's a target on there, and then the actual PSI is here. And this is a screw on, which I find better than those clip-ons. So you power it up. It's showing it's 31 and a half. There you go. See? Right front tire. Now, we haven't used this van. She finally sold her van, so that's why the tire pressures are low. She hasn't driven it in the winter yet. Let's power it up. Pretty cool. Okay, maybe a little off, but the thought process is there. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. This is a really cool product. I definitely recommend it. It's perfect for unattended air compressor. So you have to run in the house, do something. This will automatically shut off after it's done. I find that a huge plus, because you don't have to babysit the freaking air compressor. I thought that was pretty cool. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I finally was able to do it. The temperature finally, it's 40 degrees here in New York, and finally got the opportunity to come outside and do it because the tire's been low, and my wife just sold her van, her old one, so she was able to get this one on the road. So anyway, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,